Solitaire cache getting stuck at 99% usually means the app has loaded most of its content, but is failing to complete the final connection or loading step. By the end, you'll know the fastest checks to make before reinstalling the app, plus what to do if Solitaire cache still freezes at 99% afterward. First, completely close Solitaire cache, instead of repeatedly waiting on the loading screen. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Solitaire cache away. On Android, open recent apps and remove it from the list. Then launch the app again. If it still stops at 99%, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. A connection that works for browsing can still have problems completing an AP's connection to its servers. Next, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that can interfere with an app loading correctly. After the restart, open Solitaire cache before opening other apps, and check whether it gets past 99%. Then check whether Solitaire cache has an available update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android, search for Solitaire cache, and look for an update button. If an update is available, install it before trying more complicated fixes. On Android, you can also clear the app cache through the phone's app settings. Open Settings, find Apps, select Solitaire cache, open Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. The exact menu names can vary by Android version. Be more careful with Clear Storage or Delete App Data. Those options can remove locally stored app information. So use them only if you understand what the app may need to restore your account. If you recently changed networks, installed an update, or changed account settings, give the app a fresh launch after completing those steps. Don't repeatedly reinstall Solitaire cache before checking your connection and app version. If the app remains stuck at 99% on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, and restarting the phone and updating the app don't help, the problem may be on the service side rather than your device. In that situation, contacting Solitaire cache support is the next practical step. When contacting support, include your device model, operating system version, Solitaire cache app version if available, and a screenshot or recording showing the loading screen stuck at 99%. Never send your password or payment credentials. So the first fixes are simple. Force close Solitaire cache, test another connection, restart your phone and check for an app update. Android users can also clear the cache. Your next step is to force close the app and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data before reinstalling anything. If it still freezes at 99%, send the loading screen details to Solitaire cache support. If this fixed the problem, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.